If you're looking to speed up your fastening tasks and reduce hand fatigue, an electric ratchet is a game-changing tool. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 electric ratchets on Amazon that offer power, precision, and performance for DIYers and pros alike. First up is the KIMO Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Set, a consistent bestseller thanks to its value and practicality. This 12-volt ratchet delivers up to 40 foot-pounds of torque and spins at a maximum speed of 400 RPM. It features a variable speed trigger for precise control and an LED light to help you work in dim or confined spaces. What makes this kit especially attractive is that it comes with 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying case, all at an affordable price point. The compact design makes it easy to maneuver in tight areas like engine bays or furniture assemblies, while the durable housing ensures long-lasting use. For light to moderate fastening jobs, the KIMO offers an unbeatable mix of portability, runtime, and ease of use. Next on the list is the Dewalt 20-volt Max XR cordless ratchet, a professional-grade option built for serious work. It's part of Dewalt's popular 20-volt Max ecosystem, which means it's compatible with a wide range of batteries you might already own. The ratchet features a brushless motor, delivering up to 60 foot-pounds of torque and 250 RPM. It's constructed with a sealed head to resist dirt and grime, making it ideal for automotive work and harsh job site conditions. The ergonomic handle and balanced design reduce user fatigue, even during extended use. It's a bit heavier than 12V models, but the extra power and build quality justify it. For mechanics and contractors who want reliability and strong performance in a cordless ratchet, the Dewalt 20-volt Max XR is a top-tier choice. Third is the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 3/8-inch cordless ratchet, a fan favorite among automotive techs and maintenance professionals. With a torque rating around 45 foot-pounds and a highly efficient brushless motor, this ratchet is known for delivering consistent results. The compact, low-profile head allows it to reach tight spots under dashboards, within engine compartments, or behind HVAC systems. Its speed and balance are excellent, and the tool integrates seamlessly with Milwaukee's M12 battery platform. What sets it apart is the professional-grade durability and refined control it provides. While it's a tool-only purchase unless bundled, many users consider it a worthy investment for its longevity and everyday usability. For those seeking a budget-friendly powerhouse, the FULLYEA 18-volt cordless electric ratchet wrench is hard to beat. Despite its low price, this tool offers solid performance with an impressive 550 RPM and torque output that rivals some premium brands. It includes a brushless motor for increased efficiency, as well as 2 batteries, a charger, and accessories like sockets and a tool bag. The LED work light and variable speed trigger add convenience, and it's versatile enough for use in home repairs, automotive tasks, and light construction. While it may not have the fit and finish of Milwaukee or Dewalt, it's a fantastic value for homeowners and occasional users who want serious power without spending top dollar. Lastly, we have the ACDelco ARW1209 PG12 Series 12V cordless ratchet wrench kit, a great mid-range option from a brand trusted in the automotive industry. This ratchet produces up to 45 foot-pounds of torque and features a 3/8-inch head with a sturdy, compact build. It comes with 2 lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a hard case, making it ready to go out of the box. The soft grip handle and anti-slip design make it comfortable to hold, while the forward and reverse switch is positioned for easy one-hand operation. It's well-suited for auto mechanics, technicians, and garage DIYers who need a dependable tool with solid battery life and torque output. With over 4.5 stars on Amazon, it's clear that this tool meets the expectations of its users. Thanks for watching. For more hands-on reviews and power tool breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for our next episode.